Winter is a magical season, but for your skin, it can be harsh and unforgiving. Dryness, dullness, and irritation can leave your skin feeling tired and lifeless. But this winter, there's a way to bring back your glow. Introducing the Pro Hydration Boost and Radiance MediFacial, your ultimate winter skin savior, scientifically designed to hydrate, restore, and rejuvenate. Here's how it works. Hydrating actives deeply moisturize and prevent water loss. Brightening boosters enhance your skin's radiance. Calming agents soothe winter-induced redness and irritation. Firming and restoring ingredients improve elasticity for a youthful, plump look. Smoothing and refining steps gently exfoliate unveiling, flawless skin. Perfect for all skin types, this luxurious facial transforms your skin from dull to dazzling, just in time for the winter season. Winter exclusive offers: 10 to 25% off on multiple sessions, free hydration mask or serum to maintain your glow. Limited time offer. Book your Pro Hydration Boost and Radiance MediFacial today. Call or visit us to give your skin the care it deserves.